Hello and welcome back. Now, you'll remember that in the first example where I showed you this simple gain amplifier, I had showed you how to set up the sources. Very simple to do. I had showed you how to set up the simulation run for transient analysis. And then we took a look at the output waveforms. We looked at both current and we had looked at the voltage. Bad zoom level there. And I showed you how easy it was to, quite quickly take a look at your design. But one of the things I never showed you as I close out EasyWave is you'll notice that there are no probes on this schematic. I never said which voltages or which currents I was interested in. And there's a reason for that. The default for HyperLynx Analog is to probe all voltages and all currents. And it's kind of simple. The capacity of the tool is huge. The performance is really, really good. So in most cases, it just doesn't make any sense to ask the user to go through some additional work to specifically put probes down on the design and say I'm interested in this node's voltage or this node's current. But let's go ahead and think about the situation where we're working on a massive design and we want to limit or be very specific about which voltages and which currents that we're interested in. So one of the things I didn't show you is this results tab, where we've got our time domain, our DC sweep waveforms, and our frequency sweep waveforms. So as I said earlier, by default, all voltages, all currents are turned on. So let's get rid of those. Sorry, remove all. And let's be very specific about what signals we're interested in. So in the previous example, we were interested in the input signal. We were interested in the first stage output and the final stage output. So let's go ahead and add those. And now let's go ahead and resimulate the design. Again, this output window pops up. TX Designer is still active when the simulation is running. So if you want to pan and zoom or work on your schematic while the simulator is running, you can continue to do that. So you can see that it's completely functional. And here comes EasyWave for HyperLynx popping right out. So now you can see that in this case we've just passed the specific signals that we said we were interested in over to EasyWave for HyperLynx. In this case I'm going to select them all, shift select, drag them all at once, and then I've easily got that same plot that I created last time with a few less mouse clicks. And it's very easy to go through here and create a design where specifically we have not corrupted this PCB schematic for layout with any probes, with any simulation sources. This is exactly the same schematic that you would drive into PCB layout. And that really was the final point that I wanted to make in this little tutorial. Thanks a lot for paying attention. We'll talk to you next time.